Welcome to the Superhero Lab, experiments for kindergarten children. Let's make an experiment together. In today's experiment, we'll explore how to use natural materials for dyeing. Natural dyes can come from all kinds of everyday ingredients, like coffee, berries, leafy greens, and colorful spices. Can we use them to color clothes as well? Let's try and see. You will also discover if the type of fabric matters when it comes to how well it takes on the dye. For this experiment, you will need 2 pieces of preferably white fabric. We will use 1 piece of cotton and 1 piece of polyester, 2 bowls, water, salt, spoon, ladle, wooden spoon, a stove, 2 pots, 1 for boiling and 1 for colored liquid, sink with running water, material for coloring. We will use turmeric, but you can also use cutted spinach leaves, blueberries, onion peels, beetroot to get different colors. First, take a bowl and pour in some water. Add 2 spoons of salt and stir well. Put in the salted water both pieces of fabric and soak them well for 30 minutes. This will help the dye hold. Prepare the pot for boiling. Add approximately 1 liter of water and place your dyeing material in it. We add 1 spoon of the turmeric powder. If you use something else, cut the material into pieces and proceed with the same process. Take the wooden spoon and stir. Make sure all pieces are covered with water. Then take the pot to the stove. Heat until boiling and simmer the mixture for another 10 to 20 minutes. Stir gently from time to time when cooking. Leave the mixture to cool slightly. Carefully pour the colored liquid into another pot. Using a ladle, put some colored liquid into a clean bowl. Now we're prepared for coloring our fabric. Place both fabric pieces in the dye bath. Move them around gently with a spoon. To make the color evenly spread on your fabric, wait for 10 to 30 minutes depending on the desired color intensity. Remove fabric pieces from the bowl. Rinse it in cold water. Ideally, use running water until the water runs clear. Place the fabric somewhere to let it dry. Can you see the difference between the 2 fabric materials? I hope you like the new color of your fabric. Maybe it is different from what you expect, but don't forget that it is really natural and done by yourself. Now you are prepared to use this coloring process on your clothes. Make them new! Find more experiments on the Superhero Lab YouTube channel and enjoy in other science discoveries.